Hey everyone, have you heard the latest buzz from Ford? They're about to drop something huge in the electric vehicle world, a $30,000 electric pickup truck. Yeah, you heard that right. This game-changing truck is set to be built right here in America, specifically at Ford's Louisville plant in Kentucky. What makes this new ride so special? Well, Ford's CEO Jim Farley teased a Model T moment for the modern age, and it looks like this electric truck is the star of the show. It's not just any truck. It's super affordable and highly versatile. Picture this. It can power your home for up to 6 days during an outage. That quote is pretty impressive, right? This truck is designed to be compact but spacious, similar in size to the Toyota RAV4, and it's got both a usable bed in the back and a frunk up front. Ford promises it'll be faster than the Mustang Twin Turbo, which is quite a claim. But hey, if they're saying it, we can expect some serious performance. What's really exciting is the tech behind it. The truck is built on Ford's new Universal EV platform, which focuses on cutting costs and complexity. They're using innovative manufacturing techniques like larger and simpler casting methods, which means fewer parts and lighter overall weight. This approach could revolutionize how vehicles are built. Now let's talk batteries. Ford is using a new lower-cost LFP-style battery that's structural, meaning it serves as part of the vehicle's floor. This design not only saves space, but also enhances safety. Doug Field, Ford's chief officer for EVs, mentioned that the assembly process will be different from what we've seen in the past. No more awkwardly fitting large components through tiny door openings. Instead, they're calling it an assembly tree, which means sections of the vehicle will be put together in parallel before being joined at the end. When can we expect to see this electric marvel on the road? Well, the first model is projected to roll off the line in 2027. That might seem like a long wait, but it gives Ford time to perfect this new age vehicle. As for the design, we're still waiting for more details. So far, we've only seen some simple line drawings, but they're hinting at various body styles beyond just the truck. Think SUVs and maybe even a van. So if you're as excited as I am about the future of electric trucks, stay tuned. Ford is on the verge of making history with this affordable all-electric pickup. It could very well change the landscape of the automotive industry, just like the original Model T did. Forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more updates on this exciting development and all things automotive. What do you think about Ford's new electric truck? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.